Welcome you all to Civil Lecture No channel. In this channel we are regularly making videos regarding job information for engineers. So in this video we are going to discuss about the vacancy which is came from CSIR-NAL. So the job location is going to be in and around Bangalore. So we are going to discuss about that in this video. So this is useful for the candidates who are belongs to civil, mechanical, electrical, ECE, CSE, IT, aerospace. So for the role of project associate. So they are going to conduct a walk-in interview in Bangalore. The willing candidates can attend for it. So before that, what are the eligible qualification and the experience required, either experience or freshers vacancy, and when the job walk-in interview is going to be conducted. So these are going to be discussed in this video. So before going to the information, if you are new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button to get regular updates from our channel. So I'm moving on to my blog page. So this is my blog page, engineering jobs and civil action notes. So surf it in Google like civiljobstn.blogspot.com, where you will find this page, which I am keep on posting about the job information in both government and private. So for all engineers, not specifically for the civil. So it is for all engineers. So I'm going to show you the information which has been posted out here. So I'm going to click in this section. We will move to the next page where we will find this information. So CSIR-NAL, they are going to conduct a walk-in interview, which I have been mentioned before, for the candidates of civil, mechanical, electrical, ECE, CSE, IT, aerospace. So project associate 1 and 2, the number of posts is going to be 75 and the job type is temporary, and experience, it depends on the post. So we are going to discuss that. And the main information which you need to know is the interview, walk-in interview is going to be on 12th to 20th October. So you need to come up with the application form. So that also will be mentioned in this video. So don't skip in between, and we will go to the notification. So at bottom section you can find out there will be a posted of two links, in which for website I'm clicking in this section. So it moves into the next page where you will find out the CSIR National Aerospace Laboratories, and for notification and application form, when you click in the section it moves onto the page. So where the project associate 1 and project associate assistant and senior project associate and project assistant is required. So you can see here for various departments, so BTech, MSc in materials, like that, various departments for physics, chemistry, EEE, ECE, electrical, computer science, and even IT and civil. You can see as mechanical, aerospace, aeronautics, civil, mechatronics, and mechanical aerospace, like that. So both freshers and experienced candidates have separate job roles for mechanical, aerospace, aeronautics, civil, and mechatronics. So here it is for freshers. 20 number of vacancies been there, and the maximum age limit is 35, and the candidate with 2 years of experience is also been required with 60 number of vacancies, and the maximum age limit is also 35. And for the senior project associate, so it is the candidates who are having experience above 4 years, or minimum of 4 years, and done postgraduate and have 2 years of experience in R&D work, like that is been categorized here. So it is for mechanical, aerospace, and aeronautical engineers. So the number of vacancies 1, and the 40 is a maximum age limit. And project assistant, so it is for the diploma holders who belongs to mechanical, aero and production. Number of vacancies 16, and the maximum age limit is 50. And similarly you can see for the EEE, ECE, and every things, it is for the freshers. At these roles only we are having experience required. So it is mostly for the freshers, and it may vary. The position which has been mentioned above, it may vary based upon the positions currently available needed. And the monthly stipend is allowed for the candidates. So it depends upon the job role, and for a project associate 1 it is going to be 31,000 plus HRA, and those who have completed gate score, they only will be applicable for this, or else you need to complete CSIR UGC net, and the candidates who have not done both the things which have been mentioned above will given with the stipend of 25,000 plus HRA per month, and for the project associate 2 it is going to be 35,000 plus HRA, and similarly the gate score and UGC examination is required. If not, you will paid with the 28,000 plus HRA, and senior project associate is going to be 42,000 plus HRA, and candidates who appear for the position of PA 1 and 2 having a valid gate score card will be paid with the amounts which have been mentioned above, so that is also been given here. And the job requirement, so it is varies for the project assistant and associate, so you can see it visibly here. So for the mechanical and aero stream, the project associate, the what are the required things is been categorized here, and for the project assistant is being categorized here, and similarly for the project associate for ECE, EEE, electrical, CSE, IT and computer network stream, so what are the things is required, so that has been mentioned here. And for mechanical and aero stream also similarly mentioned here. I am not going to tell about the detailed things which is needed for mechanical, electrical, EEE, ECE like that, so I am going to show you this information. So please, before applying to the before not applying, so before going into the walk-in interview, please verify all the things. And moving on to the general conditions. So the main things which has been mentioned here is, so they are not going to give you any travel allowance, and you need to carry out no objection certificate. If you are already working in the CSIR-NAL at the time of interview, you need to be show it out. And if the members who are attending for the walk-in interview is going to be more, then the selection committee will be going to conduct you some written exam or any other criteria whichever is needed at the particular time. And so the candidates who are going to finish the final year, or who are on the final year, are not eligible to attend this interview, so that is also been mentioned here. And after the selected list, the candidate will be notified to the website which has been given here, so you need to look into it. So so when the candidates has been selected, it has been posted in the website. You need to come up with the joining of within the 15 days from the date of receiving the offer letter. So that is also been clearly instructed here. And the engagement of project staff will be subject to production original documents, so the document you need to provide at the time of verification, so that is also been given here. So I think I have covered some of the important information based upon the reservation and other things. Please, you need to carry out all the points, then only you will go with the information which you wanted. So I have highlighted only the few information. And age limit it has been clearly instructed in the previous table itself, so please follow this instruction too. And walk-in interview dates, so it depends on, so need to move on to the top table, so where you can see here, so the date of interview is been given out here. So if you are going to attend for the following departments, it is going to be on 12th. And if you are going to move on to the several other job role like civil, mechatronics, mechanical, and for this it is going to be on 18th. Like this they are conducting from 12th to 20th October. So that is being instructed at the bottom of the notification, so you can clearly see it. And no candidates will be allowed for registration after 10 a.m. So that is the main thing which is you need to know. And the location, and this has been clearly instructed. And what are the applications what are the things you need to be carried out along with the application is also been instructed here. So your originals and photocopies of the mark sheets, like that, it is needed. And the application form is being given at the bottom of the section, where you need to fill it out, take a printout and fill it out, and with this you need to attend the interview. If not, they will not be allowed to enter for the walk-in. So I think I have covered up some more of the information which is important for the candidates. So please go through all this thing and attend the interview. So thank you and bye. Subscribe our channel to get regular updates. Support us.